The Saba Minavardok says that there was a teenager that in those days there was so much poverty that they would send the little Talmidim of the yeshiva to different houses to feed them. Anyone that reads some of the Sipuret Tzadikim, some of the stories of the righteous from our previous generation, see how much poverty they had and how much wealth we have in our generation. Mamash, if you compare the two, we're filthy rich. The poorest guy today is filthy rich in comparison to the people of the previous generations. Literally, if you wanted to learn Torah, you had to leave your parents' house for months or even years at a time. And they didn't send you there with like a bunch of money and clothes and so on. No, you took 1 or 2 outfits, if you owned 1 book at best, and a loaf of bread. That's it. That's what you had. Go, make it on your own, kid. You're only 10 years old, 11 years old, 12 years old. That's it. Once you got to the yeshiva, one of the jobs of the Rosh Yeshiva would be to find some family that's willing to feed you. He didn't have the money to feed you. Somebody had to feed you. So they would send the kids to different houses. Okay, you go to the Rubenstein's family over there. Every day from now on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, you go over there. For Shabbat, you go there. Everybody would go to different houses. So Asab Minavardok says there was one boy that was a tzaddik, had some emunah, had some bitachon. And every day he would go to this family, and every day they would give him a couple of slices of bread with some butter on it. And that was the food. And every day he would go to the same time, and he would have a couple of slices of bread with some butter on it. That was his food, Baruch Hashem. No complaint. Not like us, where there's the eggs with it too. It says they come with some, it's toasted, right? It's not like yesterday's bread. It's fresh, right? No. Whatever they had, that's what we ate. So, one day, he arrives at the house, and the Baalat Habayit, the woman that runs the house, she says, "Oh, I'm sorry, son, the cat ate your slice of butter, so I only have bread for you today." So the boy says, "No, the cat didn't eat my slice." The woman goes, No, I saw it. The cat ate your slice." Boy responds, "No, he didn't eat my slice." So the woman got the message. She started doing some accounting. He goes, "Wait a minute. If he's saying he didn't eat my slice, meaning his slice, is he referring that really the cat ate my slice and I'm taking his slice? This little chutzpan, this rude little kid should be grateful." So she was getting a little bit, feisty with him. We go, "Hey, he ate your slice. I saw it." And the boy says, "No, ma'am. The cat didn't eat my slice." She says, "Then whose slice did he eat then?" He said, "The cat ate his own slice." So the woman looks at him confused. "His own slice?" She goes, "Yes, it's his slice. If it was my slice, that means that HaKadosh Baruch Hu decided that it's my slice. And no one in the world, needless to say, a cat, can take my slice. If he ate the slice, that means that HaKadosh Baruch Hu decided that slice is his slice. So he ate his slice. Me, I wasn't given a slice from Shemaim today. What I have is the bread. And thank you for that." Meaning, Rabotai Karim, when a person has bitachon, whether he's 14 or he's 40, he knows that whatever slice he has in his life, that's his slice and nobody else's. And whatever he doesn't have is not his slice. It's not his slice. That car that he owns, it's his car, it's not my car. That house that he has, it's his house, not my house. There's nothing to be jealous of. Why? Because if HaKadosh Baruch Hu wanted you to have the house, you to have the girl, you to have the boy, you to have the money, you to have whatever it is that you're jealous of, guess what? It would be yours, it wouldn't be theirs. If you are jealous of it, in essence, what are you saying? What are you really saying when you're jealous? In essence, what we're saying when we're jealous is that we're saying that HaKadosh Baruch Hu made a mistake. We're saying that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave him my stuff. You look at his car, you say, that's my car. Why did Hashem give you my car and my wife and my house and my job? Hashem gave you my stuff. In essence, when we're jealous, the reason why we do not resurrect with the dead is because we have no place. No place next to the Shekhinah, no place next to the salvation, no place next to anything good. Why? Because we've been calling a Kadosh Baruch Hu someone that makes mistakes our whole life. We've been kufrim our whole life. Why do we expect Hashem to resurrect us? When we are jealous of other people, it's not just not having bitachon in a Kadosh Baruch Hu giving us what we're entitled in, what we deserve, if you will. But worse yet, we're saying that Hashem made a mistake. And that, Rabotai, is one of the biggest things that a person needs to learn from this part.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new BeEzrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app, full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rabbi Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Call to B'chava Tzlacha.